Hello students, welcome to SAM classes. Today we're going to discuss about one of the most important thing, that is KCET. Now one of the very important for students studying in Karnataka and to get the damn good colleges in Karnataka. So let's talk about what is KCET and a bit in details about this crash course, what we are trying to provide you all. Okay. The first and foremost thing, if you want to do good and study in the top colleges in Karnataka with a low fee package, so you have to do damn good in KCET. Now for that, if you're damn serious about this, then the course belongs to you only. The second thing is it's a 100-day crash course. Serious only then you enroll. Okay, very, very important disclaimer. Don't say it a bit later. Okay, now it starts tomorrow and we want to support you all, okay, with this platform and whatever the crash we have created so that you are able to reach your goal. And our target is to take you to top under 100. Okay, if you believe in yourself, if you're ready to work hard as much as we are asking, then we are ready to take you where you can see whatever dream you're wanting. Okay, if you want to go under 100, you can go and you can get that rank, but you have to work damn hard. Now what you're providing in this is recorded lectures of maths and physics. We are not providing for chemistry students. We are not providing for chemistry, maths and physics as of now, and the lectures are properly in English. AITC means all important theory and concepts you have taken care, all important questions, PDF after each chapter which is done, and previous year's questions from 2014 to 2021. And now the most important thing, we have not just made the PDF questions and everything in just chapter wise, but we have made it what? In topic wise also. The NCERT line by line for your rock solid concept. Even if you don't know anything, you can start with pretty basics, but you have to work hard. Okay, 5 mock tests we are providing and almost similar to the level of KCET what they ask. Okay, now coming to the next, the teaching methodology what we are trying to adapt. First of all, a very important news, it's not chapter wise, so the videos are not damn lengthy. It's topic wise, very, very important. Okay, now we have given an option of doubt. Now what is the doubt option in the video is that is up in that will come up in the upcoming videos. Now if you have doubt in a particular line, so let's say I'm not able to understand this particular point, so what are you going to do? Press the doubt button, will be notified, okay, this student is having this doubt. What we'll do with that is our team will try to send the clarification in terms of video, in terms of any other help. Okay, now one more thing important we have introduced in this section is after every concept video, which is like 15 to 30 minutes max, okay, it contains detailed theory and examples containing easy, moderate and difficult questions, along with normal method, along with tricky methods how to solve the question in just less than 30 seconds. Okay, now understand, after doing all the concepts and everything examples, you want to test yourself whether what you have provided is proper or not. So let's check it. What do? You write a test. Now let's say you're writing a test. The test is not like a very difficult question paper just to show like it's we are preparing some damn good question paper, nothing like that. So we have given 3 easy, 4 moderate and 3 difficult questions to check whether you have understood the concepts properly or not. Very, very important point. Okay, now whatever the results you are getting, that is also scored in our database and you can check in the dashboard in the academic section. So there you'll get, okay, from this test I got this much, so that is also very, very important. Now the whole summary what we are providing, first NCERT everything, exemplar everything in the MCQ format we're trying to provide, additional important questions and the concepts and the tricks which are like very damn helpful for the students. PYQ almost 2014 to 2021, everything without missing here and there. Now it is based on the latest exam patterns, so you don't have to worry. Topic wise and chapter wise PYQ practice, so you don't have the difficulty like, okay, this topic, these questions are coming. This topic, let's say I'm not able to get, so you can skip. Okay, only these 2 or 3 questions are coming, so you know everything, what to do, what not to do. So let's enroll and then see. Okay, best of luck.